Hey folks, Aldo here. For those who may not know me, I'm a ZTM alumni who went from absolutely no tech background or experience to becoming a full stack developer. And now I've made it my mission to help others thrive and succeed in their own journeys. Now, one thing we often hear from many of you is the challenge of breaking into the tech industry. Not everyone wants to spend 6 months trying to learn a certain skill before earning their first paycheck, which is totally fair. So today we are diving into the top 5 entry-level tech roles for 2024. And when I say entry level, I truly do mean it. These roles not only promise a strong start, but they're perfect if you want to get hired as soon as possible with your current skill set. So without further ado, let's dive into these opportunities. We'll cover each role's basic requirements, potential salaries, and most importantly, how they can springboard your career in tech. Let's go. First up, the customer support specialist. As a customer support specialist, your primary focus is to help customers with their queries and help resolve any issues that they might have. It's a role that demands excellent communication skills, patience, and a knack for problem solving. The great news, you don't need a tech background to start. What you need is an understanding of the company's products, the ability to troubleshoot, and a customer-first attitude. The average salary for a customer support specialist hovers right around $27,000 a year, which, let's be honest, it's nothing crazy. But remember, you don't need any prior experience, which is exactly what we're looking for. And the exciting part is that this role offers tremendous opportunities for growth. You can advance into a senior position in customer support, or if you excel in your people skills, you can become a customer success manager or a CSM for short. Speaking of CSMs, that's actually our second job on the list, a step up from customer support. This role is about proactively ensuring customers are satisfied and fully engaged with the product. It's your job to onboard new users, help them understand and utilize the product to its fullest potential. But what do you need for this role? A high school diploma, solid communication skills, a basic understanding of tech, and most importantly, a customer-centric approach. And here's the exciting part. The average entry-level salary for a CSM is right around $86,000 a year, which is a huge step up from a regular customer support specialist. And the growth potential in this role is crazy. You could upskill and move into different areas like programming, or you can stay in customer success, where senior roles can pull up to $110,000 a year. Moving on to role number 3, the tech sales representative. In this role, you're the bridge between the company's tech products and potential customers. It involves explaining products, conducting demos, and ultimately driving sales. It is perfect for those with the knack for communication and a passion for tech. No specific tech background is required. The only thing that's really needed is an understanding of the product you're selling and a go-getter attitude. The average salary, right around $77,000 a year with potential for more in commission-based roles, and the career trajectory can truly lead you to higher sales positions or even into the marketing and product management teams where your salary is truly limitless. Role number 4 is the IT support technician. This is where we start getting a bit more technical. As an IT support technician, you're the go-to person for all internal IT-related issues within a company. Responsibilities include setting up hardware, installing software, and making sure all tech systems are running smoothly. A background in IT or computer science can be beneficial, but it's not always necessary. What is crucial is your ability to break down technical issues and help others with their tech needs. The average salary for an IT support technician sits right around $52,000 a year, with pathways into roles like network or system administrators, where you can nearly double your salary. Last but not least, role number 5, the data entry specialist. This role is perfect for those with an eye for detail and those who love working with data. It involves inputting, updating, and maintaining data in company systems. It's a foundational role that can lead to more advanced positions in data science and data analytics. But what do you need? A high school diploma, good organization skills, and a decent typing speed. The average salary for a data entry specialist is right around $57,000 a year, and remember, it's a huge stepping stone into higher paying roles like the ones we mentioned earlier. And there you have it, 5 entry-level tech roles that are your tickets into starting a successful career in tech in 2024. These roles offer a blend of accessibility, good pay, and the potential for career growth. Remember, the tech industry is dynamic and always evolving, so choosing the right role that aligns with your interests and skills is crucial. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please drop it a like, it really helps us out, and feel free to drop your thoughts and questions in the comment section down below. Stay inspired, stay focused, and I'll catch you in the next one.